Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI image enhancer into Snapedit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use AI image enhancer, you just simply have to open your Snapedit application at very first. Then, after opening the Snapedit, you will get to see this enhance image option directly into the homepage of Snapedit. Just simply tap into enhance image and then just simply select any of the image that you want to enhance. I'm trying with this suggested image from the Snapedit. And after that, you have to select any of the options in order to enhance the image. There are two options in order to successfully do the process. The first one is to watch an ad in order to use the feature or get the pro version of Snapedit by spending your money. I'm choosing watch an ad option for now. Then after that, Snapedit will start to process the image that you have provided. You can use two options into here. The first one is fine enhancer and the second one is ultra. As you can see here, I'm using fine for now. And the left side of the image is how it was before and the right side of the image is after the AI enhancement of this image. As you can see here, there is huge difference between two images into this section. This way, you can easily enhance any image using the AI image enhancer of Snapedit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.